Okay, so today we're going to solve a game. This is a two-player game. If you notice here, you have player A and player B, and this is a payoff matrix of player A. Okay, so here you have three strategies of A1, A2, A3 strategies. So I have three strategies for player A and four strategies for player B. So this game, we are going to first check if it's a pure strategy game or do we have to, it's a mixed strategy game. So first thing we do when we have a game is you take row minimum and column minimum maximum, and then you check if maximum and minimax are equal. Okay, we'll find out how to do it. First step, row minimum. In the first row, this is the first row, 3 minus 1 1 2, the minimum value, we have to select the minimum value, that is minus 1. In the second row, minus 2 3 2 3, minus 2 is the minimum value. In the third row, some of you will be confused. There are two negatives, minus 2 and minus 1. So you will be like, minus 1 is the minimum. No, wrong. Minus 2, that is more negative value is minus 2. So this is, this is more negative. Okay, minimum value. Out of these three minimum values, you have to select the maximum value. As I said, minus 2 is the minimum value. So minus 1 becomes the maximum value. So in minimum, you are going to select the maximum. Okay, that's the first step. Second step, here you have column maximum. The first column, the maximum is 3. This is easier than row minimum itself. Again, the second column maximum is going to be 3. You have 2 and you have 3. Now here we had minimum, we selected the maximum. Here you have maximum, you are going to select the minimum. So this becomes the minimum. So here if you notice, these two are not equal, right? So the maximum value is not equal to the minimax value. This is the minimax value, this is the maximum value. Most of us will get confused. That is, the idea is maximum out of minimum, minimum out of maximum. So this is minimax, this is maximum. So this is 2, this is minus 1. They are not equal. Okay, so this game is a mixed strategy game. You have to now reduce it and solve. If you can reduce it, good. If you can't reduce it, we'll see what to do. So first step is I'm going to rewrite the game. Right, and I'm going to use principle of dominance to reduce this, make it smaller. It's easier to solve if it's smaller. So I'm going to just reduce the whole problem. Yeah, so I have three rules. I'm going to follow the first rule. Okay, the first rule is you're going to cut off the row. There are three rows. You're going to cut off the row which is minimum, okay, compared to another row. So we'll start. Compare first row and second row. Okay, 3 is the first value, corresponding value is minus 2, which is less than 3. So minus 2 is less, this is more, right? Go to the next value, minus 1, 3. Here 3 is more than, here it was less, here it is more, therefore you can't cut anything. Now compare first row and third row. 2 is less than 3, good. Minus 2 is less than minus 1, good. Minus 1 is less than 1, good. And 1 is less than 2. So row 3, all the values are less than row 1's values, therefore row 3 is cut off. We have already compared these two, so I am not going to go for that. Now column. In column the rule is ulta, that is you have to cut off the maximum column. Okay, so let's start with the first two columns. 3 minus 2 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1 is less to compare to 3. We have to take the more, so 3 is more than minus 1. But minus 2 is less than 3, so these two cannot be done, nothing can be done, leave it off. We'll move on to the next one. 1 and 3. 3 is greater than 1, good. Minus 2 is less than 2, so again nothing. Now we'll move on to this fellow. 3 is greater than 2, good. But minus 2 is less than 3, so again you cannot do anything, leave it off. So row 1, column 1, nothing can be done, we are leaving it. Now moving to the second column, compare it with the third one. Minus 1 is less than 1, so that is 1 is greater than minus 1. Okay, but 2 is less than 3, so nothing can be done. We are moving to these two, second and fourth column. 2 is greater than minus 1, 3 and 3 are equal. So greater column is this fellow, the fourth column before, we are cutting it off. Okay, so now we have cut this off. Okay, so now again we have already compared all three, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. We can check the row also if you want. This is less, but this is more, so nothing can be done. There is a third rule, a combination rule, which you can, if you want, you can follow. Okay, but here if you follow means, let's see, combination rule is a linear combination. Okay, we are going to compare linear combination. For example, I'm going to add these two, first row column and second column. I'm going to add these two, it will become minus plus minus 1 will become 2, divided by 2 is 1. Okay, the second value will be minus 2 plus 3 will be 1 by 2. So this is 1 and 0.5. So if you want, you can compare. It is 1 and 0.5 is less, this is greater. Doesn't work. I'll show it in a better way. Hold on. I'm going to separately do the calculation here. 3 plus minus 1 divided by 2 and minus 2 plus 3 divided by 2. This will be 1 and this will be 0.5 as compared to 1 and 2. So linear combination I'm comparing. So this is greater and so we cut off this. So here you cut off this and you keep the others. Now you can compare these two. There are no linear combinations for this. So what you have left out of this is, you have 3 minus 1 minus 2 and 3. You have a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, now there is a very good formula for this. To solve this 2 by 2 matrix, we have arithmetic method of solving, a mixed strategy game, but I usually use a shortcut method which I will teach you so that it will be easier for you. you can learn the proper method from the book. There is a formula for it. Okay, so for what we are going to do is we are going to put this as P1, P2, Q1 and Q2. This is because A1, A2, so P1, P2. P3 is 0. This is B1, B2, so Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 are 0. Okay, so I need answers for these. These are my probability values. I'm going to find the answer for these values. Okay, so you can do the long method by solving two equations, or there is a formula. You can use that. I'm going to use the shortcut method. My shortcut method consists of 3 steps, is usually done in one step itself, but here I will put all 3 steps for you, so it will be easier for you to remember. The first step is you find the difference between this and this. Okay, so 3 minus 1. Here you have 3 is the bigger value minus the smaller value. Okay, so you have this becomes 3 plus 1, 4. This becomes 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, similarly for the column also, again bigger value minus smaller value, bigger value minus smaller value. This becomes 5 and this becomes 4. Not necessary it should be the same both, it will be different all the time. Okay, this is the first step. Second step, interchange the numbers, interchange the values. Okay, so when you are finding the difference, find the difference, write it here, find the difference, write it here, find the difference, write it here, find the difference, write it here. So you interchange it. Okay, this is the second step. Third step, I'm going to add these two numbers. 5 plus 4 is 9, so it will become 5 by 9, 4 by 9. Same, 4 plus 5 is 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9. So I have my values, P1, P2, Q1, Q2 values. I have got it. Now I have to find the value of the game. Okay, the value of the game, take any one strategy. Like for instance, I am taking these two values. So what I do is 3 into 5 by 9 plus minus 2 into 4 by 9. So I have 15 by 9 minus 8 by 9. It's a common divisor, so 9, subtract it, you get 7. So this is my V value. So my answer is SA, that is strategy of player A, is there are 3 strategies, player A, A1, A2, A3. The probability value is, this is P1, 5 by 9, 4 by 9. Third row is cut off, so it is 0. Okay, and strategy B, you have B1, B2, B3 and B4. These two have been cut off, so it is 0. The other two are here. It is 4 by 9, 5 by 9. So this is my solution for this particular problem. My game is done. So here you have the game. All the best.